Hey there, Scott Monday with Kitchen and Bath Crate, and I'm really excited to share with you some huge news, probably some of the biggest news in the history of Kitchen and Bath Crate. We actually just completed the acquisition, our first acquisition, of AAI Tile and Stone in Salida. This is a fantastic company, a fantastic group of people that have been doing custom countertop and tile work in the Central Valley and beyond for more than 35 years. So the reason we're really excited about this is going to benefit our customers in an assortment of ways. So number one, this acquisition is going to give us more control over the quality and schedule of our projects because we'll be self-performing countertop fabrication and tile work. Number two, we're going to be able to launch a new product called Kitchen Crate Tops and Splash. I'll be sharing that product with you in the weeks ahead. And lastly, we'll be moving into AAI's facility in Salida, right off of Highway 99. This 2-acre, 20,000 square foot facility will allow us to grow out the Kitchen and Bath Crate brand for decades to come. Once again, we're so excited to have AAI join the Kitchen and Bath Crate team, and we can't wait to see the amazing products that this combined team produces in the decades to come. Thanks so much for watching.